Ano kaya magiging premyo nitong PNP pag nanalo sila? Nakauna-unahan nilang laban dito sa Shakey's Bilig. Buffet na naman kaya yan.
Sama tayo dyan.
Sama tayo! Hintayin nyo kami. Pero, wag nating, let's not count out FEU right now. 3 lang itong kalamangan ng PNP. Pachari Sangmuang makes it 4.
Matutupad na kaya, Noel, ang promise ni Coach Bob.
Tignan natin yun. Dito syempre yung mga bossing ng PNP taking in the action. Maraming masarap na puntahan dito sa San Juan, Quezon City area para sa buffet na yan. Labrador. Good serve by Jalit.
Defense has to work for FEU, Noel, dahil itong si Patrick Sangmuang walang ginawa kundi patayin yung bola para sa PNP.
Ay, Pons, naubusan ng hang time. 19-13. Lumobo na, 6 na.
Hala, buffet.
Tingin mo sasama tayo dyan. Luga sa bagay, ano? Oh, service ace again from Labrador. At tuwan-tuwa because Labrador, that is the weakest part of her game. At ngayon nakakascore siya using the weakest part of her game.
Siguro itong FEU alam na hindi siya gano'n kagaling sa pagsiserve. Pinapabayaan na lang. But you can't do that in volleyball. Kahit ano pwede mangyari.
That is a 7-point. Ayan na. Molina wants to assure it right now para kay Coach Bob. Nakangiti na sila. Malayo pa ito mga girls, 21-14.
1 point at a time.
Yes.
Kaya nga sa volleyball.
And now Sangmuang is at the back. Marciano has moved to the front. Giselle C. And Atienza is able to score. Off the net yun.
So, tinulungan na siya ng net.
Oo. 21-15. Yan sinasabi, don't count your money yet before you leave the counter. Tama ba sinabi ko?
Hindi ko. Alam ko, don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Ganun ba? Omelette ang tawag doon. Giselle C. Nice block that time by Molina. And here is Atienza. Another block by Molina. And 3 points away, PNP from a buffet. From their first win.
Nagbibilangan na tayo dito.
Kita mo, si Tanamungao, kasama tayo sa buffet. Here is si Barry Pascua, tinatanong na kay Coach Bob Marciano. Here's Atienza. Daga by Tadeo. Molina. Giselle C. Atienza again. Lahat ng play sa open na. Marciano. Tinagno. C once again. Iniwan para kay Dawson, this time sa utility. Marciano blocked and goes out. 23-15.
Nakatayo to si Coach Bob. Excited na siya sa unang panalo natin.
Put yourself in his shoes naman, Michelle. Unang panalo na ito. I mean, this is going to be a breakthrough. At tanda mo, they control their destiny. Huling laban nila is against the Philippine Navy. Marciano off the block. Agno gets to it. Atienza. Sangmuang. Molina on the delay. Nagmintis. 23-16. 7 pa kailangan habulin dito ng FEU. In fact, FEU needs to string together 9 points to send this to a 5th set.
Will we see a 5th set, Noel? Or kakain tayo ng maaga?
Good serve by Casugod. Oh, nice block that time by Atienza on the bigger Molina. So 8 points away from sending us to a 5th set. Itong kupunan ng FEU. Casugod has been good on her serve today. Tadeo. Concepcion. Marciano kinapos. 7 points away from sending us to a 5th set. May isa pang timeout ang PNP. Hindi mo nagagamitin yan ni Coach Bob.
Konting paangat ng FEU dito na ba? Napapahawak na ako sa aking upuan.
Nako. Another good serve from Casugod. Concepcion. Molina! And now, 6 match points for the Philippine National Police. And Molina will serve.
Practice now. Kumain.
Ay, may strategy dapat yan pag buffet.
Konting pacing.
Ayan na, binawi na naman ni Remy Palma. Set point, match point now for PNP. Namigay ng free ball si Labrador. C, quick set kay Remy Palma, masyado mababa. Concepcion, Marciano, and here is C. Dawson now. And Bernadette Pons, tinawid yung bola. Muntik na magbanggaan, Marciano off the block. Kept alive by C. Dawson now, going to Pons once again. Dug up there, here is Dave. Marciano, and it's still alive. Dave, off the block. At hindi na mabubuhay yan. And finally, after 6 matches, the Philippine National Police gets its first win in the Shakey's V-League and controls its destiny papuntang quarter-final round. Huli nila mga kalaban ang Philippine Navy. Kapwa 1 and 5 ang kanilang kartada. Here is our Shakey Shake in play right now. Ang madiin na palo dun ni Frances Molina to give PNP its first win of the season.
Yahoo! First win. 21 points itong kasama ko today, Janine Nicole Marciano. Definitely the best player of the game. Well, Janine, unang-una, anong feeling ng first win?
Siyempre pa overwhelming kasi first win namin talaga to. So, second to the last game and first win na yun.
Pangalawang tanong ko sa iyo, kamusta naman ang naging experience niyo dito sa Shakey's V-League?
Masaya siya. Nakakadagdag experience as a college player pa. So, magagamit ko pa yung experience ko dito sa college leagues ko. So, yun. Yun lang.
Okay, Janine. Netel mo, nininervyos pa. Pag mga 10 times na okay na siya. Well, Janine, because ikaw ang ating best player of the game, you will receive this Shakey's Pizza. At huwag mo i-share kay Noel yan, ha? Basta kay Noel and Michelle.
Gutom lang nga kami, Tita Mosi. Isa lang eh. Ayan po, makikita po natin. So, with this win by PNP, we are sure that we will not have a playoff for the final slot. Paglalabanan na yan ng PNP at ng Philippine Navy sa kanilang huling laban sa darating na Biyernes dito po sa arena. That is the story. Gutom na si Michelle, di na nagsalita. On behalf of Mosi Rivera and of course my partner, Michelle Gumabaw, na gutom na ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.